Hi, I'm Iman, one of the leads here at Zama, and this is my beautiful model, Elena. Today we're going to be talking about at-home care and just a quick little routine that's pretty simple and easy for when you're busy and on the go. Just want to make sure that your skin is nice and prepped for the evening. So first we're going to start out with Eminence's new product, the Wildflower Cleansing Balm. Cleansing balms are a brand new thing that people are really into right now. What I love about this is that you can use it as a gel or you can use it as kind of more of a milky cleanser. So how you use it is you just put a little tiny bit amount like this in your hands, and then you can, if you feel like you need extra lather, you can go ahead and use water. But if you're kind of like sitting on the couch and you just want to start cleaning your skin, this is a great way to do it. You just kind of work it into the skin. This actually takes off makeup so beautifully. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals like makeup remover wipes do. As you can see, it's really nice and beautiful, nice and buttery and oily, and you just kind of massage it into the skin. If you would like to, you can go ahead and emulsify that with water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so you kind of see how that looks. You can see that it's turning a little bit more white, so it's turning more milky here. And this is getting rid of a lot of that first layer of makeup. And this actually, I have used it on some of that 24-hour lipstick products and has completely removed that off as well. And I love that. So normally you're going to be at the sink, so you're just going to rinse your face off, but we're just going to use cotton rounds just so you kind of see that it does remove. She didn't really have a lot of makeup on, but that's your first step. So I'm really big on double cleansing. If you've had a facial from me, you know that. I feel like I can never get my makeup off or even just the dirt and debris from the day off with just one single cleanse. So, you know, I will definitely lecture on double cleansing. There's two different options that are my favorites. Both of them are great for all kinds of skin. There's the Stone Crop Cleansing Oil, and there's also the Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Cleanser. If you're more on the dry side, or if you wear a lot of heavy makeup, I would definitely recommend the Stone Crop Cleansing Oil. Or if you kind of like more of just a regular cleanser, this one's amazing. It has a lactic acid complex in it, so it gets you that extra little bit of exfoliation, chemical exfoliation that is. So you can go ahead and use either one. I'm going to go ahead and use the Mangosteen cleanser. So like with all Eminence products, you just use just a very small amount. About, I mean, even less than that, but you kind of work it in and massage it into the skin. And remember, as much as you can, try not to tug too much on the skin. Always kind of go more in upwards motions when applying any product. Circular motions, that way you can get in between all of those little tiny vellus hairs on the skin. And there we have it for our double cleanse. Go ahead and remove, and again you would do this at the sink, so you would just rinse your face. This is the Stone Crop Hydrating Mist. It is one of Eminence's toners. I'm more of a physical, gotta get the cotton round, wet, and then kind of wipe the face with it. It's a great hydrating mist, so you can directly spray it on your face, but at nighttime I like to just get it on my cotton round and just do one more quick cleanse of the skin just to make sure that there is no more makeup or dirt left on my skin. It's very important to make sure that your skin is properly cleansed at night, because that is when it is working the hardest. So we don't want our pores to be clogged at that time of day. Nice and fresh.